Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are fine at your places. My name is Nader and I am your chemistry teacher. In the name of Allah, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today our discussion topic is summarification task of class pre ninth. This task contains multiple choice question, short question and long question. First I am going to discuss with you section A. Section A contains multiple choice question that are given on your sheet. Every MCQs contain four options: option A, option B, option C, and option D. Student, mark the correct option that are provided on your given sheet. Now I will discuss with you section B. Section B contains short question. So I will discuss these short questions with you one by one briefly. The first question of this section is write the similarities and dissimilarities of isotopes. The answer of this question is similarities of isotopes. Isotopes have same number of proton. Second one, isotopes have same number of electron. Third one, isotopes have same atomic number. Dissimilarities of isotopes. First one is isotopes have different number of neutron. Isotopes have different mass number. The main difference between the isotopes of an element are atomic mass and atomic number. Atomic mass depend upon number of proton and atomic mass depend upon number of proton and neutron. The next question of this section is how many subshell are there in K shell and L shell? Shell is also divided into subshell or sub-energy level. Shell is represented by capital alphabets K, L, M and N, and subshell is represented by small alphabets S, P, D and F. In case of K shell, when the value of integer n is equal to 1, the shell is known as K shell because it contains only one subshell, that is 1s. In case of L shell, the number of integer n is equal to 2. The shell is known as L shell. It contains two subshell, that is 2s and 2p. The next question of this section is what is electronic configuration? The answer of this question is electronic configuration is defined as arrangement of electron among different subshell of an atom. For example, electronic configuration of hydrogen. Hydrogen has atomic number 1. It has only one electron that will occupy lowest energy subshell 1s. The electronic configuration of hydrogen is 1s1. According to above principle, electron will fill the energy level that have the lowest energy. In case of hydrogen, hydrogen has only one electron, so electron will going to first to that orbit which has the lowest energy, that is 1s. So we can say the electronic configuration of hydrogen is 1s1. Section C. Section C contain long question or conceptual question. The question of section C is describes isotopes of hydrogen and chlorine. So I will discuss with you the isotopes of hydrogen as well as chlorine briefly. The first one is isotopes of hydrogen. Hydrogen contain three isotopes: protium, deuterium, and tritium. The first one is protium. In case of protium, the atomic number of hydrogen is 1 and atomic mass is 1 because protium contain number of proton 1 and number of neutron 0. So the atomic number is 1 and mass number is also 1 because mass number is the sum of proton and neutron. In case of protium, hydrogen has no neutron. The second one is deuterium. In case of deuterium, the atomic number of hydrogen is 1 and mass number is 2 because it contains 1 proton and 1 neutron. Atomic number is 1 because it depends upon number of proton, that is 1. Mass number is 2 because it is the sum of proton and neutron. The third one is tritium. In case of tritium, the atomic number of hydrogen is 1 and atomic mass is 3 because it contains 1 proton and 2 neutron. Atomic mass is the sum of proton, that is 1, and neutron, that is 2. So we can say atomic number of deuterium is 1 and atomic mass of tritium is 3. The second one is isotopes of chlorine. Chlorine has two isotopes, chlorine 35 and chlorine 37. The first one is chlorine 35. The percentage of chlorine 35 is 75%. Atomic number of chlorine 35 is 17 and mass number is 35. That is the sum of number of proton and neutron. Chlorine 35 contain number of proton 17 and number of neutron 18. Chlorine 37, the percentage of chlorine 37 is 25%. Atomic number of chlorine 37 is 17 while the mass number is 37. That is the sum of number of proton and number of neutron. In case of chlorine 37, chlorine contain number of proton is 17 and number of neutron is 20. Thank you student. Wish you all the best.